How to set up automation in AutoDS full walkthrough. Want to make your business smoother and more hands-on? Today we're diving deep into AutoDS, the automation tool that handles product importing, pricing, and order fulfillment for you. I'll walk you through everything from connecting your store to customizing rules and managing orders. If you're ready to save hours and scale your business, you're in the right place. All of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. First things first, let's go ahead and talk about what is AutoDS and why automate. AutoDS automates dropshipping tasks like product imports, daily price, inventory sync, order placement, tracking, and monitoring. Now, it supports major platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, eBay, and Etsy. Now, the benefits for automating your dropshipping is faster listing, fewer errors, 24/7 updates, and more time for marketing or product research. Now, let's head over to the second step. And so, how do you go ahead and sign up and get started with AutoDS? Basically, it's really simple. All you have to do is to navigate through their official website, which is going to be autods.com. And from here, you then want to click on the Get Started button. Unfortunately, we cannot go ahead and try their product for free, but we have to go ahead and pay at least $1 in order to avail their 14-day free trial. Now, as I was saying, we are now inside the live selling channel, or the selling channel that we want to import AutoDS to. Now, to make things easier, let's go ahead and choose one of the most popular WooCommerce or e-commerce stores out there, which is going to be Shopify. So let's just click on Shopify right here. And before you proceed any further, you are then taken to the payment page. Once again, you will be able to try this out for $1 for 14 days trial. So you can go ahead and choose between Import 200, Starter 500, and Advanced 1K. You will be able to import 200 products, 500 products, and 1K products. So let's start with the cheapest one right here. Click on the Start Now button, and right after that, you will then be taken to this page where you can see your Shopify Import 200, and you will be able to simply select your payment methods. It's going to be PayPal, Payoneer, or you can use your card number. Right after clicking on Continue, you will then be taken to your own dashboard. Now, you'll also want to go ahead and install their Chrome extension, which is essential for importing products directly from suppliers. AutoDS will begin syncing with your store. It just takes a few minutes. So, how to go ahead and simply import products on AutoDS. Basically, AutoDS supports a wide range of suppliers including Amazon, AliExpress, CJ Dropshipping, Walmart, Home Depot, and more. Now, to go ahead and import a product, you can just go ahead and navigate through one of the suppliers that I've mentioned, like AliExpress, CJ Dropshipping, etc. From there, you can just find a product from a supported supplier, click the AutoDS Chrome extension that I've mentioned earlier, and from there you can then go ahead and choose your store. But before importing, you want to make sure to edit out the product details, pricing rules, and descriptions. From there, you can just click on Import. Now, you can also use the product finder inside AutoDS to discover trending products and add them directly to your store in bulk. From there, we then have the price and inventory automation. Once your products are imported, AutoDS takes care of the rest. Basically, it monitors supplier stock in real time. It updates your store's product availability if the item goes out of stock. It adjusts pricing automatically if supplier price change. So you can set pricing rules to control profit margins, break-even points, and apply discounts based on your strategy. Now we then have the automatic order fulfillment. This is one of the most powerful features of AutoDS. Basically, when a customer places an order, AutoDS can fulfill it automatically using the Fulfilled by AutoDS feature. You can also track shipment status and provide real-time tracking to your customers. The system also offers one-click return and messaging templates to make customer service easier. Now, we then have the analytics and overview dashboard. Inside your AutoDS, you can get a dashboard that helps you track your sales and revenue, your profit and expenses, the top selling products, your order status. Basically, these insights help you make informed decisions and scale your business effectively. Now, from there, you can also go ahead and do the tracking updates and order status. You want to enable the tracking conversion to auto format tracking for your selling channel, like your eBay, Shopify, etc. You want to choose when products are marked as shipped, immediately upon purchase, when supplier tracking is available, and on the estimated delivery date. Optionally, you want to enable the auto mark delivered after a set number of days from shipping. Now, we also have the stock and price monitoring. So you can just go through your settings, supplier settings, product monitoring, and you want to set rules for stock threshold, price markup margins. So when the supplier stock is low, AutoDS will automatically pause your listing. When price changes, AutoDS updates your listing too. Now let's also talk about some common pitfalls and best practices when using the automation for AutoDS. You don't want to send auto orders if you haven't funded your balance. You want to set maximum order price limits to avoid rogue purchases. You want to regularly review automation rules to align with your market changes. You want to use low initial threshold and test incrementally. And you want to avoid overlapping rules that could cause price conflicts. Now, the last thing that I want to talk about is monitoring and scaling your setup. First is your dashboard overview. You can just track orders processed, profit margins, and price changes. Now, on the order page, it logs show every auto order transaction. For the analytics tool, you can adjust automation based on performance insight. Basically, when volume grows, you want to add more automation rules or team member to manage them. And that's your full AutoDS automation setup walkthrough. Once configured, you can literally set it and forget it, letting AutoDS handle pricing, stock, orders, tracking, and more. You just focus on growth. If this video helped you streamline your store, smash that like button, subscribe, and comment below with any questions or ideas for future tutorials. Happy scaling, and I'll see you in the next one.